Hi all, this is Priyadharshini working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to discuss the topic Kruskal's algorithm. So let's see what is Kruskal's algorithm. Before that we'll see what is a minimum spanning tree. So a minimal spanning tree is a spanning tree, or it is often called as MST or minimum weight spanning tree for a weighted, connected, undirected graph. So unconnected graph in a spanning tree with a weight less than or equal to weight of other spanning trees. So let's see first what is Kruskal's algorithm. So here we will discuss in detail what is Kruskal's algorithm. So in Kruskal's algorithm you have to sort all the edges given in graph in increasing order. Then it keeps on adding new edges and nodes in the minimum spanning tree if the newly edge does not form a cycle. It picks the minimum weighted edge at first and maximum weighted edge at the last. Thus we can say it makes a locally optimal choice in each step in order to find the optimal solution. Hence this is a greedy algorithm. So how to find what are the steps in the Kruskal's algorithm? Let's see. So first the initial step would be you have to sort all the edges in non-decreasing order of their weight. Pick the smallest edge, check if it forms a cycle with the spanning tree formed so far. If the cycle is not formed, include this in edge, else you have to discard it. Repeat the step until there are v-1 edges in the spanning tree. So Kruskal's algorithm is to find the minimum cost spanning tree which uses the greedy approach. The greedy choice is to pick the smallest weight edge that does not cause a cycle in the MST constructed so far. So let's see with an example. So Kruskal algorithm is an algorithm for computing the minimal spanning tree MST of a weighted graph. A weighted graph is a graph whose vertices or edges have been assigned weights. So let's see with an example. Let's see a graph. So this is the graph. So we know the vertices and the weight of an edge with the edge. So how to find the minimal spanning tree by using the Kruskal's algorithm. So we will always start from the smallest weight edge and keep selecting edges that does not form any circuit with the previously selected edges. Do always remember. The steps to find the minimal spanning tree by using Kruskal's algorithm is, first you have to create the edge table. So an edge table will have name of all the edges along with the user weight in ascending order. So here in this example we have totally 5 edges. We will always start from the smallest weight edge and keep selecting edges. This does not form any circuit with the previously selected edges. So this is how it will be seen. So now look at the graph and fill the first column with the edge of the minimum weight. Now look at the graph again and find the edge of the next minimum weight. So this is the thing. So note, in case we have 2 or more edges with same weight, then we can write them in any order in the edge table. Here also we will always start from the smallest weight edge and keep selecting edges that does not form any circuit with the previously selected edge. So now let's see how it becomes. So this is the time to find the minimal spanning tree. So now look at the graph again and find the edge of the minimum weight. In this case, edge AB and AC are always forming the next minimum weight. In this case, edge AB and AC are having the minimum weight, so we will select them both. In case we have 2 or more edges with same weight, then we can write them in any order. So let's see how does it start. So here 1 is the smallest weight, so we'll select edge BC. First we have to select edge BC, and then second is the next 2 is the next smallest weight, and edge AB does not form a circuit with the previously selected edges, so we will select it. Okay. Then again look here, 2 is the smallest weight, but if we selected edge AC, then it will form a circuit, so we are going to reject edge AC. 3 is the next smallest weight, and edge DC does not form a circuit with the previously selected edge, so we would select it. Now 3 is the next smallest weight and edge DC does not form a circuit, so we have selected, and then since we have got all the 3 edges, we have to stop here. We will always start from the smallest weight edge and keep selecting edges that does not form any circuit with the previously selected ones. Hence the required minimum spanning tree is given in the right side of the picture. So this is how the Kruskal algorithm works. Thank you.